Coming up on this DVD that I'm sending you is some clips of the past, gee, many willikers, how many years has it been now? It's been quite a while. So I pulled some of the best stuff out from NBC with Deborah Feldman. We went out onto the habitat. We start in Gorst, and we remove a ghost net robotically out of the water. And then from there, it just starts to snowball with the support of different entities, tribal commission, and the neat thing about all of this is that it's all done robotically. We lift the nets up off the water with our cameras. And we have a pretty good track record right now. We have 70 net bundles that we've removed. We've had 9 different projects. We did 140 miles in Hood Canal, and that was with our new boat. And we brought in a film crew from Oregon, and we actually found a ghost net sitting in about 30 foot of water, and it was just filled with lots and lots of Dungeness crab, seabirds, and fish. And so we were able to pull a team together and get that removed. So that was pretty exciting. We do sample taking with the EPA. We get into different areas of Puget Sound, and this actually flies over the seafloor. Now we have a algae of kelp now starting to develop in about 40 to 90 foot of bottom depth. And this algae, we believe is kelp, is dying and taking the oxygen out of the water, and as you can see here, there's no sea life on our seafloor. It's a pretty serious issue. And with what I'm holding here in my hand, this hooked up to a flying camera, comes down, we pick an area that we want to take the sample from, and we can nose it in, pick up our sample, and continue flying along. And it's pretty exciting stuff. We're getting ready now to get out in 1,000 foot of bottom depth, 800 anyway. And these housings that we're building, we're using a CNC machine. And it's really state-of-the-art technology on the different types of seals that we use. Almost dropped it. And what's happening with the pressure that's on this. Remember, there's a tremendous amount of pressure per square inch at 1,000 feet. The camera boards and all the circuitry that we use, I have a background in electronics, and so I'm kind of the builder, and then I work with other partnerships of different people, and we kind of bring our ideas together, and it's worked out really well. As you can see here now, this is called an invasive species. We have actually 8 of them in Puget Sound, and we're identifying these invasive species with the use of these underwater cameras that we build. Now we're on a dock up at Pleasant Harbor, and we're just shooting what's called a microvision. Now this gives you extreme clarity up close, but as you can see here, you got to kind of wade through some of the picture, but when you finally get what you want, it looks like this. Pretty exciting stuff, isn't it?